Hello and welcome back. You are watching Straight from the Doctor's Desk with me, Dr. Andrea Purcell, where we use natural medicine as the first resort to help you achieve the health and the life that you love. Today we're talking about smoothies and how to design a smoothie that fits your nutritional needs on a day-to-day basis. In natural medicine, I like to say that food is the medicine. Food is the cornerstone that we build our health foundation on. And it really is the fruits and the vegetables that should be at the top of your list each and every day. Smoothies are a great way to get fruit and vegetable servings into your day on a regular basis. So today's topic is all about quick, fast, and easy, nutrient-dense foods in your day on a regular routine. So if you've hung out with me very often, I like to say that apples are Mother Nature's version of fast food. But smoothies are a quick runner-up because a smoothie, when made correctly, it's just packed with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, antioxidants that get in there and they just neutralize free radicals and they help fight off cancer. So if you're a busy person, you're on the run in the mornings, no worries. Smoothies can come together in a few minutes flat, making them the perfect breakfast for an on-the-go person. When you really start to think about food as medicine, it just makes sense that smoothies are a great way to start your day with somewhere between 2 to 3 servings of fresh fruits and veggies. It's like putting delicious gas in your tank. And when we add leafy greens to a smoothie, it just provides an important boost because leafy greens are potent detoxifiers and they're great for fighting off unwanted bacteria, viruses, and even molds. And you probably know this, but I just want to remind you that we all need 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day to provide the essential nutrition and building blocks that our bodies need to repair and rebuild and fight off cancer. And the thing I know about cancer is that nobody wants it. Our goal really should be to focus on having anywhere from 5 to 10 servings of fresh fruits and vegetables each day. And I know in our house, we just count the servings. And it started out as a game that we used to play with our son when he was little. And it has just stuck with us. And no matter how old you are, you can play the fruits and vegetables game. So just like, how many servings did I have in the morning for breakfast? What was my snack? What did I have for lunch? And then you can catch up at dinner time and add in a couple more if you're running behind. Let's get blending and dive into the recipes we have. I've got 3 great recipes for you just to get your wheels turning. Feel free to come up with your own variations of these based on what you like. I just want to say that all fruits and vegetables are fair game. The possibilities here, the combinations are endless, and different colored plants provide different nutrients to our body. So you want to think about the reds, the yellows, the oranges, the blues, the purples, the greens. And as a base, which is that liquid component, the water, if you choose to use water, should be either water, coconut water, or an unsweetened plant-based milk like almond milk or coconut milk. You really just want to stay away from processed juices because of the higher sugar content and the lack of nutrition. So let's dive in, should we? I've got 3 varieties for you today. I've got a pineapple green, I've got a strawberry banana, and I've got a chocolate blueberry. So really it just covers the board of what anyone's taste would be. And I just really hope that you take a look at them, you experiment on your own, and you see where you can start adding in a smoothie to complement what you're eating on a regular basis. So if you're interested in more natural medicine, you can always find me on the web at www.drandreapurcell.com. Ciao for now.